in Wix Studio, customizing your content, using Wix's built-in text generator, and taking your site live so you can share it right away. Start by signing into your Wix account and opening the Sites area in Wix Studio. This is your dashboard for everything you build. From here, choose Create New Site. If you see a follow-up screen, confirm by clicking Create New Site again, and Wix will guide you into the setup flow. Next, browse templates and open one that fits your brand or project. When you're ready, click Edit to launch the Wix editor. Inside the editor, click any highlighted text on the page and type in your details. This includes your headline, tagline, and key descriptions. Keep your copy clear and benefit-driven so visitors understand who you are and what you offer within a few seconds. You'll see an option to add some details about your site. Click that and fill in a brief description of your business or project. Wix uses this context to tailor content recommendations, so be concise and specific. With your context set, return to your page and click the highlighted areas you want to update. Then select Generate Site Text. Wix will draft content for the section you've selected. Treat this as a starting point. Review it for accuracy, adjust the tone to match your brand, and personalize any claims or figures. Work your way down the page, clicking each highlighted section, hero, services, about, testimonials, FAQs, and footer, and update them one by one. Replace placeholder text, confirm that any buttons have meaningful labels, and check that links point to the right pages. Keep your language consistent, use action verbs for calls to action, and make paragraphs scannable with short sentences. If you need an extra heading or paragraph, open the Add menu and click Text to insert a new text element. Place it where it supports the flow of the page, and match your heading levels so your design and accessibility stay consistent. When your content looks good, click Publish. Publishing pushes your latest version live while keeping the editor open for future tweaks. Finally, click View Site to see the live version in your browser. Do a quick pass as a visitor would, read the headline, test buttons, and skim sections to ensure everything is clear and intentional. That's it. You've created a Wix site, customized your copy, used Generate Site Text to speed things up, and published with confidence.